Ready now.
Just started. Alright, bam. Chef Jawanza done and represent the cafe Jawanza food, poetry and culinary production. And as you know, my people, we're on a tutorial for where the seasoning is concerned. Come in the bucket, my friend. Look, make them see in the bucket. We don't have no tutorial food because everything is already seasoned. You see it? So what we are doing right here, so I just put few little things on the grill. Sorry, my correction. See it? So you can see the process. I want to go on for the evening here. I don't know the thing go. And while at the same time people want to subscribe to the channel. You see it? Because we always look support. So I say, look out for the new poems them coming soon. Number, Ear, Number, World Boss, Number, Rasmin King, Number, Mota Baruka. And I don't know the thing go. Yeah man, Chef Jawanza done representing. See it? Okay, so now, man. See some of my face, too, bro. You know, all the people that see my face. Yeah, man. Representing for Sky. Oh.